grab a long length of brown craft paper and let's throw a party. Ideally, cut a length that is longer than your eating space so the ends hang over like a table runner. For a centerpiece, start by wrapping some books in a textured neutral wallpaper or thick gift wrap. Just fold the sides of the paper to fit the top and bottom of the book, and then tuck the ends over each cover of the book. With a thick marker or paint pen, write the name of each guest on top or around the plate on the paper. For a whimsical touch, outline your spoons, forks, and knives with your marker. Try sketching dinner elements onto the paper, like a bottle and a wine glass. If you are serving a certain type of cheese or appetizer, write it on the paper with a curving arrow to the cheese. I even lined the arrow with accompanying crackers that lead to my brie cheese. Stack small cookies onto a plate for a sweet nibble that's handy for your guests. And you can stack bricks of cheese with a cheese knife directly onto the paper. To go with your mismatched plates, tuck mismatched tea towels under the plates. Fill a small pitcher with colored pencils, markers, or crayons, and let your guests show their own creativity. Serve your guests a full dinner, or just let them nibble on sweet and savory treats on your craft paper tablescape. I hope this inspired you to grab a piece of paper and invite some people over for a party.